Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using the Electroneum app. Electroneum, a crypto payment app review, usage and experience. In this video, we're diving into the Electroneum crypto payment app. We'll explore its core features, its target audience, and how effectively it performs in daily use. Electroneum is a mobile-first cryptocurrency payment app designed to simplify crypto access, particularly for users in developing nations. Its primary function is enabling users to send and receive payments using Electroneum (ETN), a digital currency engineered for fast, affordable transactions. A standout feature is the app's user-friendly mobile interface. Even those new to cryptocurrency can easily manage their ETN holdings, monitor payments, and send funds instantly. Electroneum's instant payment system is optimized for microtransactions, making it a compelling option for freelancers, small business owners, and anyone conducting frequent, small-scale crypto transactions. Seamless integration with various payment systems makes it easy for vendors to accept Electroneum payments. This is especially beneficial for digital goods and services where swift and efficient payment processing is essential. The platform also boasts in-app mining capabilities. Users can earn small quantities of ETN simply by using their smartphones, a great entry point for those interested in crypto mining without the complexity of dedicated hardware setups. Further enhancing its utility, Electroneum supports in-app purchases. Users can spend their ETN directly within the app on a range of services, including mobile top-ups, gift cards, and more. However, Electroneum does have limitations. It's not as widely accepted by cryptocurrency exchanges and merchants as more established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. While designed for low-cost transactions, network fees can fluctuate and may not always be as low as advertised, especially during periods of high network activity. In summary, Electroneum is a solid choice for users seeking a straightforward, mobile-friendly crypto payment app focused on microtransactions and accessibility. It's particularly well-suited for users in emerging markets or those looking to integrate cryptocurrency into their daily purchases. However, it's important to be aware of its limited acceptance compared to other major cryptocurrency platforms and the potential for variable network fees.